The Dualism of the Nature of Life by Prince Yakeson. Life reveals itself through contrast. Nothing is known in isolation. Meaning is born in opposition. These truths remind us that growth is not linear. It is dual. To awaken to what you are, you must first forget who you are. To know joy, you must first face sorrow. To uncover strength, you must first experience weakness. To understand peace, you must sit in the storm. To cultivate wisdom, you must first stumble in ignorance. To truly connect, you must embrace solitude. To evolve, you must surrender to change. To rewrite your story, you must first realize you are the author. There is no growth without discomfort. When you lose yourself, you will then remember who you are. Without darkness, we would not appreciate light. The coexistence of male and female fosters reproduction, allowing life and the universe to thrive. Closing reflection duality is not contradiction. It is completion. Every shadow sharpens the light. Every fall teaches the rise. When you accept both sides of life, you don't merely survive, you awaken.